happening, guys? Welcome back. My name is Yousef and seriously, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a couple of days since I uploaded my last video, and it was a motivational talk that I did for you guys just because I love motivating people, and I'm gonna leave the link right here. Click on it. It's a 10-minute motivational video for all you beginners and all you people who want to invest into the stock market, but you're a little bit scared and you need some, positive energy. So that's for that. But today I'm talking about and focusing more on all the stocks that you should be buying this month in September 2020. So if you watch this video 5 months from now, it's probably not accurate and it's probably not beneficial for you other than the general ballpark of the information that I'm going to be talking about. But this video is specifically for the people who just want to get into investing and they just want to, get into Robinhood and Webull. By the way, don't forget, I'm going to leave the links in the bottom for you guys. So you can click on it, deposit $100 and get 2 free stocks with Webull. So please make sure you do that. And yes, I do get a little commission out of that. So thank you very much for doing it. I appreciate it. But the stocks that I'm going to be talking about today are the ones that are kind of obvious for people to start investing into them. And just because they're obvious, sometimes people don't think about them and they think they're too expensive or, I'm not going to really invest into those companies. I want to get rich so quickly. Those are all the mindset of someone who's new to the stock market. And they don't realize that the whole fact of you becoming rich overnight probably doesn't exist unless you're, super lucky. We're not talking about luck here. I'm not trying to make you guys be lucky. I'm trying to give you guys the knowledge and the information that it's right for you guys to start investing today and be a true investor. And we already talked about what the difference is between being basically a day trader or a trader, or the difference between being an investor. Again, I post a link up here for you guys. You can watch that video that I'm going to go into depth of what's truly the difference between being an investor and also being a trader. So that's completely different. But someone like me who likes to invest into these companies, leave the money on the side for a long period of time, these are the stocks that I think they're going to be doing amazing, and they're perfect time to buy them now. Because let's get into it. By the way, happy Labor Day. So all of you guys in the US, happy Labor Day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the long weekend. I kind of didn't like it just because, I couldn't trade on Monday and it was closed, the market. So again, hopefully from Tuesday, everything's going to be packed up. But if you know the stock market had a huge pullback since basically, I would say in March or late April. We never seen this much of a pullback since then, and stocks been going up, crazy. So you gotta realize that anytime the market is green for so many days in a row, you're gonna see some sort of pullback. So S&P 500 is about down 3 to 5%. Dow is the same, a little bit down 3 to 5%. I'm not gonna bore you with the numbers. I'm not the type of YouTuber. So, and I hate numbers. So I'm just gonna give it to you straightly the way that I like to hear it from people. So I'm just going to make it easy for you guys. But you have to realize the stocks that I'm going to be talking about today are the ones that basically you don't have to worry about them. They're not penny stocks. They're not the companies that are not reputable. And they're not the companies that you might be scared and am I going to lose money? Is it the bad time? Or are they going to go bankrupt? It's none of those. It's the super safe companies to invest your money into. And again, a disclaimer, I'm doing all the information that I give you is 100% my opinion, and they are for entertainment and fun purposes only. I'm not a professional to tell you what to do with your money. There's so many other more professional people out there that you can get suggestions from. But this is my absolute opinion. And I think that these stocks gonna go up massively. And just because they had a great pullback, and I'm gonna say a healthy pullback, just because it was obvious that it's gonna happen. But it was a great time. It made this bubble that it's a reverse bubble in a way that is perfect for you guys to start investing into the stock market and not worry about your money. I don't know, if you made some money from unemployment, from the stimulus check, from coronavirus, you got some money from your sugar daddy or sugar mommy, I don't know. These are the stocks that you want to put it into. Okay, let's get into it. I'm not going to bore you more. Let's get into it. The first one is definitely for me is, let me click on it, Microsoft. So Microsoft, the ticker symbol is MSFT. They're trading about $213 as of Sunday or Monday, which is the market is closed. So $213, it might go up, it might go down. We don't know yet. As the market open up, we will find out. But this thing came down massively, all the way from $232 to $213. It came down about $20. It was a great pullback, a perfect opportunity for you guys to invest. And just because Microsoft is one of those name brands that they're super popular, they're big, they're in talk to buy the TikTok. I don't know if this is gonna go through. Maybe not. Maybe it will go. Maybe it would be actually a bad thing for Microsoft to buy it, just because I think they're gonna screw it up, just like Skype. You know, it's my opinion. But anyway, I think it's a great buy. You should definitely start investing into Microsoft. Great time. Even if you look at their one year chart, they're up 54% in a matter of 1 year. And that's including what happened in March. So again, great opportunity for you guys to start investing into Microsoft. And perfect. Again, Microsoft definitely is my number 5 in the top 5 list that I have for this month. Again, and moving to next one. And this one is kind of like, you know, it's very obvious. It's Google, Alphabet Class A. The ticker symbol is GOOGL. They're trading about $15.81 right now. Is it a good time to buy it? Absolutely. They were down 3% on Friday. And if you look at their 1 week chart, they went all the way to 1723 and now they're all the way to 1581. So they dropped a good 10-15%. It was amazing. When the market goes down, you guys get this. You have to be super excited, super happy about this, because when the market go down, that means it's sale. That means you gotta buy. You don't buy when it's skyrocketing up. You buy when it's falling down with its head down. So again, let's talk about it. Alphabet Class A is included into the Robinhood 100 most popular business sector and California sector, just because they're California based. And you have to realize their market cap has been insane. So right now their market cap is $1.08 trillion, which is, if you ask me, is it a good number? Yes, it's an amazing number. And one of the very few companies that broke the line of being worth over $1 trillion. So again, Google, Alphabet Class A, one of the best stocks that you can buy right now. And again, please don't tell me that this is gonna be expensive for you, because if you want, you can spend $1 in Robinhood and purchase this stock. So you don't need to buy the whole thing. You have to realize now we have fractional sales in many of the apps like Robinhood, Cash App, I don't know, maybe M1 Finance, all these companies that you can just buy $1. So no excuse for you to not buy this stock. Absolutely. So let's move on to our number 4, which I think is one of my most favorite ones, and it's Amazon. Amazon is traded for $32.51 as of Friday. So again, great time to buy it. Heck yeah, look at this. 1 week chart, they were all the way up to $3,532, and now they're up to $3,251. So great pullback. It's almost down $150 to $200. Perfect time to invest into them as of right now. I think it's a great time. Don't forget, market cap $1.65 trillion. That's insane. And what it tells you is the amount that they've been growing, it's insane. So not only they're in food and drink, consumer service and retail, business, software, Washington, 100 most popular stocks traded in Robinhood. It's insane. It does not get more safe and more steady than literally Amazon. I mean, it's been going up every single damn month, year, whatever you want to see it. However, their 1 year chart up 78%, my man. 78%. So imagine all the things that you could have been done with that money that you wasted on a new scooter or I don't know, your fish tank that you see over there. What am I gonna do? But again, if you can, invest into Amazon. Amazon, trust me. I mean, I get my groceries from Amazon. I have my toothpaste coming from Amazon. I have literally Amazon coming to my house every single day. Just like thousands of other people, if not maybe millions of other people. So it's a great time to start investing into Amazon, guys. Please, if you literally look about a year ago, not long ago, a year ago, it was only 1,800. Now it's 3,250. What is it going to be in 2 years? What is it going to be in 3 years? Start investing today. Even $1. Do it. I actually just set up my paycheck to get direct deposited into my Robinhood account every single month, every single paycheck, a certain fixed percentage. So I make sure I invest first before I start investing that paycheck. I mean, spending that paycheck for bills, entertainment, anything. First, you need to pay yourself. You need to have the money. Go direct deposit in your Robinhood account so you don't even think about it. The money comes there the day you get paid. And guess what? You're going to be investing that money into these stocks that I'm telling you. If you like, of course. My fourth, maybe fourth or fifth, I lost count. But seriously, one of my best is my second to best, I would say. My best, I've been saving it for the last. But definitely Apple. The ticker symbol is AAPL. You might think, yes, Apple, so obvious. No, it's not obvious for so many people who are new to investing. They don't know. I didn't know. I thought, I don't know, Coca-Cola was the best. It is. It pays you a lot of good dividend. And it's been growing over the years massively. But Apple, they just went 4-1. So basically, if you owned one stock of Apple, now you own 4. But instead of each stock being about $520, $530, it came down to each stock being about $100. Now each stock is worth about $120. But let me show you this. Before it went down, it was all the way on September 1st. It was $134. So now it's only $120. So you're down about 6-7% already. Is it a great time to invest into them? Absolutely. What I love about Apple, market cap is $2.07 trillion. Let me say it again. $2.07 trillion. Their price earning ratio is 36.77, which is great. I mean, one of the best. Their dividend yield is 0.53. That's how much dividend you're gonna get for leaving your money inside there. They're not like Amazon or some of the other companies, huge companies, that they don't pay you dividend. Their stocks goes up and they also pay you dividend. I mean, how much better can it get from this? Like, amazing. And I do own most of my money in Apple just because I have everything Apple. My phone, my iPad, my camera is not Apple, but anything that I can buy from Apple is Apple. And they have the best customer service. Their stock has been going up. But instead of buying their gadget, buy their stocks. I think this is the best thing, honestly, you can do in 2020 to buy Apple. I'm not going to tell you to buy Tesla. Tesla is great. I posted a video about Tesla a couple of months ago. And I told them that they're going to break over 2,000. And they did. And now they did the 1-to-5 stock split, which is amazing. But is it going to go up again? I think probably it's going to go up. But is it volatile? Absolutely. It's one of the most bubble-ish, volatile-ish stocks in $1 billion companies. It's, but it's a giant. More props to Elon Musk. He's the best. He knows how to make that money. And now he's even richer than Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook owner. Insane. So again, Apple, APPL, it's about $120. Buy it now before it's late. But one bonus stock that I wanted to talk about, and it's absolutely my favorite, and I'm saying this, absolutely my favorite stock that you can buy today, and you don't even have to worry about all these companies that I talked about. So you want a piece of all of them. You go and get this stock. This one is an ETF. And the ticker symbol is VTI. Vanguard Total Stock Market, EFT. Amazing. It follows the S&P 500. one of the best ETFs that you can have. I mean, let me just show you. In 1 year, they are up 15%, but that's including the craziness that happened in March. So imagine they were all the way to $170 before Corona, and now they are $173 again. So they came up amazingly. Like, let me show it to you. Like, let me find out how much they're up literally. I think they're up like 30%, 40%, even 50%. That's how much they're up. I mean, just a month alone, they're up to about 3%. In 3 months, they're up about 8%. So it's crazy how much money you can make off of this one. But there's a good thing to it. What I love about these guys is the market cap is $163 billion, which is great for an ETF. But the best thing about them is the amount of dividend that they're paying you is 1.67. Do you know how much money that is? That's insane. That is absolutely insane. The money that you can make from this ETF, and you don't even have to worry about Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all of these different companies. I mean, there's so many other good stocks that you can buy. Banks, PayPal, Square. You can invest into AI. I mean, you can invest in NIO, which is the Tesla version of China. And I don't think China is going to let them go down just because they're one of the biggest giants, and they're basically advertising the company in a manner of the fashion of them being owned by China. So I don't think China is going to let them go down. And they're going to do whatever it takes to make it one of the best car companies around the world. But again, VTI is definitely one of my best and most profitable stocks, or ETF, as you might say. They're one of the best in the index ETFs that you can find in Robinhood to invest your money right now. If you are scared to put your money in the individual stocks, VTI or VOO, they're kind of similar. You pay the same amount of almost expense ratio to these guys, because the expense that you're basically paying these guys is very little. Honestly, it's not much. You don't have to worry about it. I'm not going to even bore you with the number to tell you how much it is. But again, they're one of the best. And hopefully you guys take the time to study yourself to find out which of these stocks are great for you. But now it's a great time to invest into them just because they have such a healthy pullback. So hopefully you learned something from my video. Subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. It helps me a lot. Truly, I love it when you guys do that. Please leave me a comment. Talk to me, people. I don't know why people are so shy to leave a comment. Tell me about the stocks that you like to be basically talked about. All the stocks that you have in your portfolio. Is it one of these that I just talked about today? Or is it something that you want to know more about that I can do the research and basically tell you guys? Again, hopefully you guys had a great weekend and a great week ahead of you. So hopefully I can see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, instagram.com/Yousef.Zad. I'm going to leave the link down there for you guys and a couple of the previous videos that you can watch. Again, have a great day and ciao.